Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to unbox this. So this is a Honda Civic Custom and this is by Hotwheels. And so I bought this for 179, which is the MRP. So let's unbox this and see how this one looks, because I really want to see how this one looks in my hand, because the color combination on this looks really nice. The paint job looks really nice. Okay. Okay, here is the casting itself. Okay, so out of the box, honestly this looks okay. It has little bit of, okay, there is some dust here and there. I'm not sure how that is getting in. Okay, the blue paint looks really beautiful. It is not glittery or anything. It is kind of that STH kind of paint job they had. And there are little paint chipping issues here and there. So you can see the Honda logo here. I mean, you can see it barely. There are little bit of paint issues here, that's it. But okay, the good thing is they went with some kind of plastic here for the headlights, and you can see the grill detailing here. And the livery looks really nice. So that red and blue always goes really well. And you can see the tail, rear view mirrors as well. And on top of that you can see this rivets kind of thing on the windshield, even on sides, the rear. It doesn't have any tail light details here. Okay, that's fine because it's just a main line. And it has a little bit of chassis detailing here, which is good. So this casting is really lightweight, and the body is fully metal, chassis is fully plastic. So the front bumper is plastic, rear bumper is plastic. That's why it feels like it is very light, because only this part here, this is metal. So rest everything is plastic. So okay, it has two sets of wheels here. So you can see the front wheel and rear wheel both are different. I was hoping they would go with the same rims here, but okay, this one looks good for this particular casting. But the front wheel is actually bigger than the rear wheel. Okay, let's see how this actually rolls in the track. Okay, so the interior looks really nice. You can see here. I mean, from the side it is not possible to see, because it feels like they fog it. It has fog inside. But from the front you can see. Let me just try to focus a little bit. It has a lot of scratches here, but maybe yours might not have. Okay, let's weigh this casting now. Okay, just 29 grams. I was not expecting that. Okay, let's do a roll test. Okay, it rolls okay. Creates a lot of noise. Okay, the rear wheel wobbles a little bit as well. So let's rate this casting. So out of 10, maybe I'm not seeing much of an issue here. Okay, this side doesn't have the windshield. That is really nice. I missed to point this one out. Okay, I would say it is a very little bit of paint chipping here, nothing much actually. So I'm not going to reduce any points just for that. Yeah, I would give 10 out of 10 for this. Okay, so my suggestion would be, okay, so I'm keeping both this and Plymouth in the first level. Next to that would be the Audi, and that's it. So if you guys are able to get this casting, go ahead and get it. This actually looks really nice. More specifically, the color scheme they used on this one, that super hero kind of color, the red and blue. So that actually complements the car really well, including the interior. They went with the red. That is really nice. So that's it for today, guys. If you like my video, hit the thumbs up button. If you love my video, subscribe. And as always, thanks for watching this video. Have a great day. Goodbye.